paper and then also your calculator. Okay. So let's do number 3 first. Okay. So let me do this. Let me go back and I want to remind you of the steps. What's the first thing I need to do when I'm looking at a balanced budget? Brandon?
Check what's your income.
Okay, so find income. That's the first step. So write this down, please. How do I find my income? What do I do? So when I'm looking at this problem right here, number 3, how do I find my income?
Your allowance and your earnings.
Okay, do you guys agree with him that allowance and earning are income?
Yes.
Okay, so then what do I do to find my total?
You add them.
You add them. Okay, so let me put that on here. So add. Okay. Now, sometimes you might only have one thing that's an income, and so you wouldn't need to add. But if you have more than one income, then you have to add it together. Okay. So then after that, when I find my income, so I know 12 and 15, I know that's $27. What do I do next?
Subtract.
Subtract what?
$2.98.
Okay, but what is that? What's that called?
The
Expenses, right? Okay, so subtract expenses. So it's only 2 steps. Now, looking at this problem, okay, I know that spending is my expenses. Okay, I have an option. I can do 27 minus 298. Take that answer, minus 529. Take that answer, minus 843. Okay, now, I know you guys, that's a lot of subtracting, and that's a lot of chances to find the wrong answer. Okay, so what my suggestion to you is, you should add all 3 of these amounts and then subtract it from the $27. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so I'm going to come over here to my calculator. You guys keep looking at this. Well, you can't keep looking at it if I show you that. Okay, so Jada, remember $2.98. Julissa, remember $5.29. Antoine, remember $8.43. All right, Jada, give me your number.
$2.98.
Okay. Plus, Julissa, your number?
$5.29.
Okay, and plus Antoine, your number? Oh, I can't hear you, babe.
$8.40.
Let's look. 43 cents. Okay. So if I add all those together, what is that amount?
$16.70.
Very good. Okay, so that means all of these together is $16.70. Okay, so now I have my income. My income was $27. I have my expenses. That was $16.70. How do I balance my budget? Rita? Subtract them. Okay, so $27 minus $16.70 gives us what? What is that?
$10.30.
Very good. Okay, so $10.30. So he can save $10.30. Is this starting to make sense? Okay, so let's look at the next one. So is earning a plus or a minus? Plus. Is spending a plus or a minus? Minus. Now, think about this one. Is saving a plus or a minus?
Minus.
Minus. Because if you're saving it, yes, it's still your money and you can still use it, when you need it, but it's no longer in your account. Okay? So my income this time, I only have one income. Okay? And that's $21. That's my income. Okay? So how do I find my expenses?
You add.
Add. So I'm going to add what's in the spending and what's in the saving because that's also an expense. Okay? So David, remember $5. Israel, remember $3.22. Brandon, remember $9.16. I'm going to clear it. David, what was your number?
My number was $5.
Okay. Israel, what's your number?
$3.22.
Okay. Brandon, what was your number?
$9.16.
And 16 cents? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what is that, guys?
$17.38.
Okay, excellent. So that's for my expenses, right? So how do I figure out what he can share?
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay. So I need to subtract $21 minus, and see up here, right here, that I love that that's there because I don't have to go back and look. It's already there. It's kind of helpful. $17.38. So what's my answer? Very good job. All right. So I think what I'm going to have you do is, no, let's do number 5. Then I'm going to have you do number 6 on your own. So let's do 5. Okay. Is allowance a plus or minus?
Plus.
Is spend a plus or minus?
Minus.
Is share a plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Good. Okay. So here's another one where I only have one income. So I don't have to add up my incomes because there's only one. Okay. So let's see. Anthony, remember $3.28. Rita, remember $2.17. Isaac, remember $4.79. Elijah, remember $2. All right, Anthony, what was your number?
$3.28.
Okay. Rita, what was your number?
$2.17.
Isaac?
$4.74.
Okay, and Elijah?
$2.
Okay. So what is that amount?
$12.19.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that's how much he can... No, that's not how much, because that was the expenses, right? So that was $12.19. Okay, so how do I figure out what he can save?
Subtract.
Subtract the income minus expenses, right? So 15 minus my 12.19. Okay, so I'm going to clear. But my answer, 12.19, is still up there. Okay, so 15 minus 12.19 gives us what? $2.81. Okay, so I am going to have you guys do number 6. Okay, so first mute yourself. Everyone should mute yourself. Antoine, I think that's you, babe. Okay, so everyone is going to do number 6 on your own. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Okay, and yes, you may use your calculator. 45 seconds. All right, who would like to share your answer that you got? How much can he share? Jada?
$1.44.
$1.44. Did anyone get a different answer? Brandon, what did you get?
$2.52.
Okay. Did anybody get an answer other than one of those? Israel?
$1.22.
Okay. Anybody else? Rita?
$2.52.
Oh, you did get this one? Okay. Anybody get something that's not on the board yet? Anthony?
$1.48.
$1.48. Okay, so let's double check our work. So I know that earn is a plus. Spend and save are expenses. Okay, so I need to do $11.54, $2.98, and $8 altogether, right? So that's $11.54 plus $2.98 plus 8 gives us $22.52. Okay, so double check your work. Is that what you got for your expenses? Because I imagine if you got this wrong, it might be that step. Okay, so then our income was $24. So I need to subtract that from $24. So $24 minus $22.52 gives us $1.48. So who was correct? Anthony was correct. Okay. Now, here's my thing. I absolutely am totally okay with you doing the math. Okay. You don't have to use a calculator. However, you might want to double check today. Okay. So if you did that math work on your own and you didn't use a calculator and you did not get $1.48, then my suggestion to you today is you can still do the work on your own, but double check with your calculator. Okay? I don't want you to get the wrong answer today because you did not do the math correctly. Does that make sense? Okay, so let me pause.